Now on the test track, but next year coming to a motorway near you. A fleet of 30 lorries using hydrogen, produced in Wales from renewable power.
In the context of vehicles, that allows us to refuel trucks very quickly. It allows us to provide a zero-emission drivetrain with no emissions at the point of use. And it also gives people an experience similar to vehicles today, i.e. long ranges and fast refueling times.
Battery power may have dominated the public thinking, but here at the Cinex Expo, for those in the net zero transport business, at least hydrogen got a look in.
We're investing over £2.5 billion. It's there to support the leading-edge strategic vehicle technologies: batteries, electric motors, power electronics, hydrogen fuel cells.
But before the trucks can roll, the hydrogen highway will need refuelling points. Enter the team here.
This is the HyQube. It's a hydrogen refuelling station in a box, hence the cube. We've deployed these systems in a number of places around the UK and some in Europe. Typical, like at the airports. We've had Bristol Airport, Exeter Airport. But this is not what's now needed. What's now needed is a bigger system, higher capacity, commercial deployments.
Something this size may be fine for a trial like the one Oxfordshire Fire Brigade is planning to run, using this hydrogen-fuelled fire engine at today's show. And yes, the jokes were circulating about whether or not this was climate change that's driving net zero. But fuelling for commercial vehicles requires the design to be a whole lot bigger to turn the hydrogen highway plans into reality.
This is the commercial size solution, 10 times the capacity of the HyQube.
So you've got a contract for what, 3 particular sites?
Yeah, one of them is a very high capacity, so we'll have 2 units on it. So that one's going to be in Avonmouth and the other one's going to be in Reading. All 3 are along the M4 corridor.
And what type of timescale are we talking about?
This is the prototype, deployed and operational in the summer of next year. The trucks are coming, so we need to be able to refuel them in that time frame.
The firm running the scheme says there's no shortage of customers.
We got different market sectors, from heavy haulage, food distribution companies, day-to-day trunking networks, down to supermarket delivery stores, to growers, to breweries, to very different market sectors.
And with plans to serve areas beyond the M4 from Southampton to the southwest, a lot could be riding on this. Joe Campbell, BBC South Today.